In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size on Samsung and LG Smart TV. So you have in here how to enlarge it on your Samsung. So on your Samsung, you can head over and then use the magnification function. So press the home button on your TV's remote control and then navigate to settings. Once you're there, you can see the general of privacy and then tap on accessibility and you can find there the magnification option. Now in there, you can just press the settings 1 to 3 and return button. And then you can manage to go to the zoom in area. A magnifier window with three icons will appear on the top right of the corner of the screen in order to magnify those. Now just select the zoom icon and press up and down in order to choose the actual percentage that it will be magnified. Press on the return button on the remote and then select the pan screen option in order to move the screen to your desired area and then press the return if you want to exit the full screen icon. You can also use the zoom menu and text function through this way if you would want to as well. It have it enabled through there. Now, regarding the LG TV, you can increase your font size. However, there isn't a built-in option to increase the font size directly from there. So what we can do is you can press the home button, then scroll to the right until you find settings. Navigate to the settings and then go to accessibility, and from there just look for the option called large text or high contrast text and enable it. Using that should be able to adjust the actual font text that you have on your TV. So that's how you change font size on Samsung and LG Smart TV. Hope we helped.